has been broken. Now it's open. Okay, so first we got a box. I see some bubble wrapping. Nothing else. Okay. So over here we got a box and it says white. Oh, it's a system sensor device. It's white, plain 2-wire, and it's a indoor remote horn. So yeah, HWL. Let's see what's inside this box. Yeah, system sensor boxes are not that hard to open. Okay. Okay, so first of all we got our mounting bracket, similar to the one they gave me when I had the P2RL. Got the instruction manual and the hardware. And then we got the device itself. So I have a system sensor P2RL, but I cannot get it currently. But so basically I have an HR, so this is a newer version of the H part of the system sensor series. So yeah, I don't know which way it's supposed to go. I think this way, yeah. So it'll sound very similar to the P2RL. This was the HWL, so it's a remote horn. I wonder about what that ink is doing. Hopefully this device isn't used though, because I can see some dusty ink. But anyways, yeah, let's see if this device works. Guys, I think I noticed something. The back part is popping off, so let's see if I could figure it. I believe you have to push it back. I don't know how it opened up while it was coming in. Yeah. But it happened. There it goes. Hopefully it works as intended. Now, of course, this device has 8 tones. And actually the main tones are 3.3K, I believe. And, actually no, 3 tones. 3K and 3.3K. And then the horn tone. So yeah. We'll see if this works, because this turns out this device was broken apart while it came for some reason. Alright guys, first we're going to do code 3 low volume. Electromechanical. Alright, now we're going to do electromechanical continuous low volume. I noticed something about the delay on this. The delay is the same when it's same as the P2RL or P2WL or whatever when it's on code 3, but when it's on continuous, it directly does continuous. So that's interesting. Alright guys, now we're going to do 3.3K temporal low volume. Alright, I believe we're going to do 3K continuous low volume. Alright guys, that's all the tones of this new system sensor HWL. I'm sorry guys, I can't do the coding option because it can only do those on high volume, both for the 3.3K tone and the horn tone. So yeah. So yeah, that's the unboxing and the reviewing of the system sensor HWL. Though it broken apart, it actually survived. I don't know how it broken apart, maybe some shipment issues, but yeah. That's the unboxing review of this alarm. Bye guys.